Now doing my second shoe with a Rubbermaid garbage can, and we first remove this flap, that's where the foot goes, and a bit more cutting, and then we're gonna start the bending. Okay, let's try it. Okay, remove this. Need to mark underneath that the same level. Okay, so just okay. This will bend this way. I need to see where about it is. So let's put it back in. And I push this against the edge a bit here so I can clamp. Now we're ready for the flap. Flap will be here. So this is like sharp angle, but this has to be rounded for more solidity. So just a bit more. now we have two. Now there's the first thing I noticed on the white plastic, very hard. On this same, it seems to be more vinyl, more soft, but it's gonna work good. Okay, next step to do is I'm gonna cut the excess here and bend that downward. Here in the front, as you move, it will help to move. It will not dig in the mud. It will help to glide. In the back, I leave it straight because the foot, as you leave the foot, it will drag in the mud. If I bend that, it will slow you down. Okay, so we just have to cut this off and cut this off. And the same, and after that will be the assembly of the straps and the big washer, and that's a done job. Okay, time to put the strap on. Back strap is the same length as the front strap, so different. Now my straps are in place, and I create holes and spacers. Okay, it's the final step. Those are the ones from last year. They're still good. So I need to assemble this together without metal. So I came to that idea. This is what I have. This is the slot for the strap. I made hole at the end so there's less chance of plastic to rip. And I did one on the other side. Now I'm gonna reinstall this strap inside. Okay, I'm gonna first put the outside, the piece inside, and coming out here, and then around the strap. And what it will do, if I walk, this split too much. So I want this to be firmer, and that will bring the flapper toward the ground a bit more. So there we go. And now is the walking test. Okay. sure, you have to watch your step. But it will protect the plastic when you walk on the gravel or near the rocks. And also it will stop the belt to go forward. This right here, the strap seems the strap tends to move forward and come in front of your feet here. That happens. Those straps are wider and stronger than those ones. So there you go. Ready for the first part of the season. Now it will crack here and there, and you keep using tape. (2019-2020) model. It improved. Thank you.
Uh-oh. There we go. Well, I'm not there yet. Okay, keep going. Almost. Oh, made it. Made it. Yeah.
I in the mud with a million iron. I in the mud with a million iron.